Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope everyone can see me, hear me clearly. I hope you guys can hear me, see me clearly, absolutely. Chalo. Then with that being said, let us start with our session. So here we'll do the mock analysis for this week. And here we have the first question right in front of us. We have the first question right in front of us. So this was the mock from this weekend. So first question, let's start very quickly. 5 cube minus 0 square. So 0 square again, I don't need to take 5 cube 125 plus 24 square by 2 square, meaning 12 square, 144 minus 10 plus 30. So this is plus 20, sir. 125 and this 44 and 20 64 69 200 and this plus 20 289 is the answer. Option number 1, option number A, sir. Without a doubt, this is your correct answer. Very simple. First question, basic simplification done and dusted. Next one, sir. Next one is a DS question, data sufficiency. Let's read it, sir. What do I need? What will be the SP? I need SP. If the profit is given, profit given, I need SP, meaning actually I need to find the CP. If I can find CP plus the profit of 100 will give me my SP. Let's see from the first statement what is given. MP markup is 30% on CP, offered a discount of 170. Let's see, or let's say CP is 100x. Because there is a value, I'm taking x. So markup is 30%, meaning 130 is like x will be the MP. Now discount is 170. So SP will become 130x minus 170. Now I know, again, they are asking what? They are asking us to find the CP, sir. I know CP and SP, I have got this. And if I take the difference between them, so 130x minus 170, this is SP minus CP is 100x. That has been given to us as the profit of 100. So again, just I don't need to calculate, but again, if I calculate, I will be able to get x. And if I am able to get x, I am able to get 100x, meaning I can find CP. And if I can find CP, I can surely find SP. That means option, the first statement is enough for us to find the answer at least. So my answer either can be option A or can be option C. This much I'm clear about. Still, we haven't been able to figure out the whole question. I have to check the second question, second statement as well. Chalo, let's see now. Let us see now, sir. Profit percent earned after selling this much. This is 1/9. Profit percentage earned after selling the article is this. Profit is this, and total marked up amount is this of the cost price. So again, the very similar thing. Here the difference is they have given you the markup in amount and the profit percentage is given. Profit percentage is given, and you see profit percentage, and here the profit is also given. I don't really need the markup. So I can say profit 1/9 of my CP is 100. So my CP I can figure out. And if I can figure out CP, I can figure out SP. I don't need to do it. That's the trick to solve data sufficiency questions. You don't need to solve it. You just need to figure out whether it can be solved, yes or no. So definitely both together is the answer. Sorry, I told C, na? It will be D, sir. It will be D. I haven't checked D. Sorry, extremely sorry. C is the answer. Either one or two. Extremely sorry. Right? Either one or two, meaning either one first statement alone or second statement alone. Both are giving me the answers independently, as we have just seen it. Sir, first, the next question, sir. Next question. Anil buys a watch for this, sells for this. This for this again sells. Amount of profit or loss. Array, sir, ये तो बहुत easy. Sir, profit here is 400. Here also profit, sir, 500. Total profit, sir, 900. That's my answer. We don't need actually pen and paper for this. You do not need pen and paper for this. It was a very simple question. It was indeed a very, very, very simple question. Next one, please. Certain distance a bike covers in this much kilo. Acha. If the speed was this, 40 kilometers more at the same time. Acha. Remember, sir, you can make the equation traditionally, but again, the better way of making the equation, sir, how much is the speed? How much is the increment in speed, sir? Sir, 8 kilometers per hour, right? Sir, into t hours, let's say, that is the time that the bike has traveled. And how much extra distance they have traveled? 40 kilometers. So can I say, sir, t will be 40 divided by 8, which is 5 hours. This is the travel time, sir. Now they are asking the original distance. Sir, I know time, I know the original speed. So speed into time gives you distance. 64 into 5, which is 320 kilometers. Sir, option B, sir. Option number B, 100% is your correct answer. Option number B, sir. Done. Next one, please. Next one, please. Sir, this is partnership. Chalo. This much B joins 5 months later with this. So 3 zeros I can cancel. 15 fives, 15 6. So investment ratio is 5:6. Time ratio is how much, sir? Sir, A was there for 1 year, na? Yes, after 1 year. So A was there for 12 months. B joined 5 months late, meaning B was there for 7 months. So take the compound ratio, sir. So this is 2. 5 2s are 10. So this is the profit sharing ratio, sir. Investment into time. Sir, profit is this total. Sir, they are asking share of A and B. Sir, let's find A first. 10 out of 17 parts of 40885. 40885, sir. Chalo, let's do this, sir. 17 twos are this, 68. 4s are this, 05. 2404, 24050. That is for A. Again, sir, good thing is that I just need to find this. D is the answer. Why? You see, all the values for A is different. So if I can only find A, I don't even need to check for B. So B will automatically match. I don't even need to waste time. Whatever time, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, I don't need to check it. Right? Again, if you're liking the session, please do hit the like. That kind of gives the session a little more reach. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Sir, what is this? A and B are two prime numbers such that A is greater than B. LCM. Sir, LCM of two prime numbers. Prime numbers means they don't have any like factors. They do not have any factors other than one and themselves. So if they don't have any factors, how can they have any common multiple as well? So definitely their LCM in case of two prime numbers, LCM will be the multiplication of those numbers. So actually this is given to you as A into B is 899. You need to find out A into B or A and B from here. Again, we will need to use trial and error. But again, A and B both needs to be prime numbers. And two number multiplication, if you divide, so this is very close to 30 square. And you see 30 square is 900. 30, so the next number to 30, which is a prime, is 31. And the previous number, because it's 9, I guess this is the pair. Calculate this now once again. So 30 plus 1, 30 minus 1, 30 square minus 1 square. Yes, sir. 899. So these are my A and B. Both are prime numbers. Again, just use a little bit of instinctive thing. Use a little bit of logic and your instincts. Because A greater than B, 31 is A and 29 is B. So B minus A, 29 minus 31 plus twice of AB AB is already given to us. AB is already given to us as 899. This is minus 2. So this is 1898, right? Sorry, 1898. Why 1798? Extremely sorry, sir. 1798 minus 2. 1796 is the answer, sir. 1796, which is there in option number B, sir. Which is there in option number B, 100%. You see, very, very, very simple. But again, you need to use a little bit of instinct, right? Next one, please. Let's see what is given. Sir, find the value of theta. Sine theta is 1 by root 2. But sir, pi by 2 to pi, meaning a second quadrant. You see, associated angles. Pi by 2 meaning sir, 90 degree to 180 degree they have given you. This is the range, meaning second quadrant they are talking about. Sir, sine theta, when theta is 45, we get this. So second quadrant, when 180 minus 45, I can say. So the angle has to be 180 degree minus 45. So which will be 135 degree. Done and dusted. Option number C, sir. Option number C, sir. 3 pi by 4. Again, they should have given the options in pi as well, because there they have used pi in radian. Perfect. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Sir, what are they saying? Just a second. The difference between the value of a number increased by 30% and the value of the original number decreased by 20%. Okay. Acha sir, 100% is the number. Increased by 30% meaning 130%. Or 100, sir, 100 is the original number. 100 units, you can say. Or 100x, let's say. Because there is a value, better take x. 130x. Decreased by 20%, meaning 80x. So difference between this is 25, sir. Okay. Meaning, sir, 50x is 25, x is 1 by 2. Original number was 100x. Sir, x is half, meaning number is 50. Option B, sir. Again, you do not need to do anything. You do not need to do anything in order to answer this, right? You do not need to do anything in order to answer this. Very simple. Chalo, next, simple interest. Again, they will just make us calculate, I guess. 23% for 4 years. Total percentage 92%, sir. So my answer will be 6250 into 92 by 100. Again, in the morning session, I guess in the foundation batch only I was talking, like today only, I was talking about this. If you get something like this, and if you are like, sir, I am a 30 mark Khan in calculation, I'll calculate. But brothers and sisters, please understand, no matter how good your speed of calculation is, there is something called accuracy as well. So I will never calculate this. I can see this is 92%. So what I'll do, I will rather calculate 8%. Meaning what I'm targeting, I'll calculate 100%. 100% means 6250 and subtract this 8% which I'll calculate. That way also I'll get 92%. But again, this is a much easier calculation now. So let's do that. 6250 into 8%. Sir, 0, 0 gone. Sir, 5 2s are this, 5 125s are this. So this is 4, this is 500. So my answer will be 6250, 100% minus 8%, which is 500, which is 5750. That's your answer, option C, sir. Please understand, this is a basic thing that you can definitely follow. That you can definitely follow, sir. I hope this is clear, everyone. I hope this is absolutely clear, everyone. Very simple, but again, these are the small little tricks you can apply. Sorry. present age questions, and they're asking age of one person. Most probably I can use it by like logic. 11 B multiple. Sir, all four options are multiples of 11. Sir, it won't work. 4 years ago, age of A was 3/5 of this. Okay. Sir, A is to B. Sir, the ratio was 3:5. So meaning B has to be a multiple of 5. When? 4 years ago. So subtract 4. It has to be a multiple of 5. 29, not a multiple of 5. Minus 4, not a multiple of 5. Minus 4, not a multiple. Minus 4, sir. 40. Yes, it's a multiple. That's my answer. Option D is my correct answer. We do not need to do that, solve the question. We do not need to solve the question. Just the options are enough for us to check. Just the options are enough for us to check. Achha, Raju, Ram, Shyam. Ram, Raju, Shyam. Let's see what happens. Sir, they are saying Raju is 30% more efficient than Ram. So Ram is 100. Ram can do 100 units a day. Raju can do 30% more, meaning 130 units a day. Shyam is 40% more. 130, 40% is 52. 52 more, meaning, sir, 182. Acha. So this is the efficiency ratio, sir. This is the efficiency ratio, sir. Correct? 0, 0. Acha, sorry, 0 I cannot cancel. Sorry. So 2 say only I guess I can do 50. This is 65. And this is 91, sir. This is the efficiency ratio. Now, if the same work is completed by Ram in 91 days, okay, then find the number of days for Shyam. Sir, 50 will be the answer. Why? Again, why 50 is the answer? Sir, please understand. Take only Ram and Shyam because we are only talking about these two. Ram and Shyam. Sir, efficiency ratio and time ratio will figure out. Sir, efficiency ratio is something that we already know. Efficiency ratio is given to us as 50:91. So time ratio will be opposite. Sir, it is already given. Ram is taking 50 or 91 days. It is given. Completed by Ram in 91 days. So how much time will Shyam take? Sir, 50 days. That's your answer, done and dusted. That is your answer, done and dusted, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Again, very, very unique ways of solving. You have to start thinking like this. You have to start thinking like this. Next. The price of a car decreased then increased. So net percentage change. So AB theorem. Increment of 48, decrement of minus. So plus minus minus. 48 times 18 by 100, sir. So this is 30 minus 1850s. That is, sir, 1850s 9,000. 9,000 and sir 3, 2, 36. 8936. 89.30 seconds. Sir, what did I do wrong? I've done something wrong. Ruk jao. 8, sir, 0 extra le liya, sir. 900 minus this 89, 8.96. 8.64. Sorry, extremely sorry, sir. 8.64. 30. So this will be 21 point something. 21.36. Sir, option C is the answer. Option C, as I can see, is your correct answer. Very simple. I messed up the calculation first time. Next one, please. Triangle XYZ. XYZ. Right angled at Y. Done. Next. Cos X is, cos X is 8 by 17. Meaning, so this is 8, this is 17. This is 8, this is 17. So this must be 15, sir. Triplets. Find out, sir. Cos Y, cos 90. It is 0. without any. So actually it is sin x plus tan z. Sin x will be, sir, sin x is going to be 15 over 17, sir, right? Plus tan z, z is this, tan will be 8 by 15. Baapre. 15 into 17, sir, 200, 225, 30, 255. 255 meaning option A or B. Sir, I'll just use the unit digits. 5 5s 5, 7 8 6. Sir, unit digit will be 1. Option A is the answer. I'll not do the entire calculation. You see, 5 into 5 unit digit 5, sir, 7 into 8 unit digit 6. The total unit digit will be 11, that is 1. So only option A is ending with 1. That will 100% be my answer. Right? I'll not do calculation. Nahi chahiye. So next one, a jar contains 50 liter water, 5 liter taken out, replaced by same quantity. 20 liter mixed. Acha sir. There are two things you can do. Let me first solve it normally. Please understand, because this concept is very important rather than the simple question. 50 liter, 5 liter taken out, same quantity of milk. Acha sir, water and milk. Initial 50 liter, 0 liter. Right? 5 liter taken out, meaning now 45 liter water, and in place I have added this. So ratio is 9:1. Next time what happened? 20 liters of this mixture has been taken out. So in this 20 liters, the milk is to water or water is to milk will be the same 9:1. So in that 20 liters that I've taken out, I have 18 liters water and 2 liter milk, sir. Clear everyone? Because the same 9:1 ratio must follow. Now, replaced by the same quantity of liquid X. Acha, liquid X is something else. Okay. So liquid X will now get introduced. Liquid X will now get introduced. Acha, now, sir, 45. So out of that 18 liters I've taken out. Sir, 25, sir, 23. From 5, I've taken out 2 liters, 3 liters remaining. And total I've taken out 20. So 20 liters of liquid X will be there. This is your answer, sir. This must be your answer. 23, 3. Check second. Have I made any error? Water. So 1 second. 45 minus 18. 20, so 27 this will be. 27, 320. My mistake. Very silly mistake. 27, 320. Sir, option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Right? So this is done. Now, sir, is there, it's not, 1 second. Acha, sorry. Water, then liquid X, then milk. So liquid X will come. So first 27, the liquid X was 20. So first will be the answer. A will be the answer because they have changed the order. I've not noticed. My mistake. My mistake. Sorry. Acha, but again, I was too keen to go to the second method. I was too keen to go to the second method. Again, that is something you also should avoid. I myself am guilty of that. Sir, another way of solving these questions, sir, total 50 liters. I told you always replacement. In replacement, one thing is always constant. That is total volume. Total volume, it doesn't matter how many times you are replacing. Once, twice, thrice, more than 5 times, doesn't matter. Total volume, if I'm starting out with 50 liters and if it is a pure replacement, meaning I'm replacing the same amount that I'm taking out. So in that case, total amount is like total volume is constant. Check the ratios. The sum must be 50. 27 and 3, 30 plus 20, 50. Here also the same. 24, 3, 20. Sir, 7, sir, 8, not 50. 24, 25, sir, this is also not 50. So my answer can be any two. Now, let's talk about milk. Sir, milk was only replenished 5 liters. Now, after 5 liters, they have again taken some milk out. So my milk value has to be less than 5. And milk is the last part of the mixture. You see in the question, water, then X, then milk. So my 100%, my answer has to be where the milk is the less than 5. So this is your correct answer. Without solving anything. This is a shorter way, but using logic. Done, sir? Clear, everyone? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Moving on. The curved surface area, cylinder cone, equal radius. Okay. X and this. Acha. X equal to Y. 2 pi RH. Cylinder equal to pi RL because the radius is equal. Sir, 2H equal to L, sir. Okay. Now, height, slant height is A. Okay, sir. L is A actually. 2H equal to A. Then the height will be, sir, A by 2. Array, this was too easy. This was too easy, sir. This was too easy. Very, very simple. That is option number B. A by 2 is the correct answer. Next one, please. Compound interest. So gap 8 years, 11 years. Okay, sir. The gap is 3 years. So this is the ratio of the amounts is given. Amount ratio is given to you. Sir, amount ratio for 3-year gap is given. Na? So amount ratio for 1 year will always be, sir, because, sir, amount of like this compound interest goes in terms of power. So 3 years meaning if I go reverse, it will be 1 by 3. If I go forward, it will be cubes, like q squared for 2 years, cube for 3 years, to the power 4 for 4 years, and so on. So for 1 year, it is 10 is to 11. Meaning 1 rupee interest on 10 rupee principal. Meaning rate of interest is 10%. This is your value. Rate of interest. Achha, they are not asking rate of interest. They are asking simple to compound interest. Okay, same 3 years. Simple to compound interest. Okay, so 10% simple interest, 3 years will be like 30. Compound interest will be 33.1 because just use simple AB theorem. These values you must know. So just get rid of this. So it will be 300 is to 331. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. 100%. Option B is your correct answer. 30 ratio 331. That's your answer. Next one, please. PQ together, 30 days Q in this, sir. AB by A minus B. 56 into 32 by. You can just simply do this. Because 2% they have given you. So this is 24, I guess. Right? 8, 8, 8, 8, 3 is at this. I've done nothing wrong, no? I have done nothing wrong. Hopefully, no. One second, just let me check. 24, 8, 3. Okay, sir. Achha, sir, 210 and 14. So 224 by 3. 74. 74 point something, which is option A. Done. Done, sir. Next one. Next. Sir, distributed some rupee in this ratio. If B received this much, what is the value? So make a simple equation. You can do it in different ways, but again, I'm just making a simple equation if that is okay. Sir, B will receive 4 parts out of 5 plus 4 plus x, 9 plus x parts into 1870, which is given as 680. 17 4s are this, 17 11s are this. 4 cancels. 9 plus x is 11. So x is 2, sir. Sir, find the value of x. Acha, x is 2. X value, I can see that is 2. Very simple. Just make a simple ratio distribution equation. Nothing else. You do not need anything. You do not need anything else actually. Right? Again, ladder fraction. Chalo, it only looks big. 2 plus 1 by 3, meaning 3 twos are 6. Again, I don't, there are multiple shortcuts vagera for this. Again, I feel the basic one is more than enough. So this is 7 by 3. So again, I'm just writing it for one time. Rest I'll just omit. 1 plus. So this is 7 by 3. 1 by 7 by 3 meaning 3 by 7. Meaning so 12 plus 2 divided by, this is 10 by 7. Correct? Sir, 5, 60, 67, sir. Just calculate 13, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 meaning, sir, 0.4. 13.4 is the answer. Option number A. Option number A. Sir, you see, no need to do a whole lot. And CGL will never ask you something which will take years of your time. Again, this type of questions were very popular in 2024, last to last year. At least 6-7 shifts had questions similar to this. Sums of radius and distance between the centers. R1 plus R2 is equal to C1, C2. This is external touch. Option B, conditions. Conditions. I have given you all 4-5 conditions with everything like I've drawn and I've given you how to think, what to do, what not to do. This is very simple. Everybody should remember. If you haven't, again, the whole geometry playlist is there in this channel only. Just write, just go into the playlist, you'll find. And the end of that playlist, you'll see I have taken the whole class on this last year. A circle is inscribed, and I guess in the video section also you will find the classes as a marathon. Last month only that was uploaded. Okay, so second part you'll get the information about that. Acha, circle inscribed PQR, PQ equal to PR. Acha, in a triangle PQR, okay, circle is inscribed in this. Okay, PQ equal to PR. Okay, looks very odd. That's the thing. Something like this. PQ equal to PR, sir. These two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. Perpendicular from P to QR, it will pass through definitely this 100% is C, which also passes through O and intersects the circle at M. Okay, this point is M, sir. PQ is 40 centimeters. Okay, QC, this is C. QC is 25 centimeters. Okay, PM, this is 10 centimeters. Okay, radius, this is not difficult. This is not really difficult. Sir, can anyone tell me the value of PC, sir? Achha, you can do this in two different ways. I'm using the basic way. So this is 90 degree. Sir, this is root over of 40 square Pythagoras, because it's a right angle triangle, minus 25 square. 1600 minus 625, which is going to be 975. So 25 if you take out, so this will be 25 if you take out 25, 4, 40, this is 39, sir. ऐसा आ रहा है क्या? Just a second. PQ is given as this. Just a second. Have I done something wrong? $600. 975, right? Acha, I'm doing something wrong. I'm quite certain. 75, meaning 32, 5, 325, that is 13. 3 into 13, yes, I'm getting the same thing, right? 25 into 40 is 1000. So this is one list. So 25 into 39, I'm getting. 5 root 39. Chalo, let's do, I don't have any other option. So this will be 6 point something. This will be 6 point something. That means 30 point something, I'm guessing. But again, it should be greater than 31 or 32. This will be greater than 31 or 32, sir. Okay. Let's see how much we can do. There is another way to do this. Acha, just think of this. So out of that, this is 10. So the remaining, this is twice of the radius because this is diameter. Twice of the radius is 30 minus 10, meaning almost 20. So R will be 10, but again slightly greater than 10. Slightly greater than 10, there is only one option, but again this is much higher. This is much higher, sir. 12.5 I'm getting, but that is the only possible answer here. Achha, let me just say this. There is another way you can use to find the length of PC. Because I can see there is a tangent secant theorem going on. There is tangent secant theorem because we are getting so weird of a value now over here using the Pythagoras. So let's use the tangent secant theorem for once. The tangent secant theorem might give us something a little better value because there is no square root vagera there. Tangent secant theorem saying, sir, if this is 25, this is also 25, sir. Total 40, meaning, sir, this is 15. This is 15 tangent. And so this is, I don't know, let's take x, and this bit is 10. So I can say, sir, this is 15 square is 10 into this PC, right? So, sir, 15 into 15, yes, this will give you some good values. 5 2s are this, 5 3s are this. Sir, 45 by 2, 22.5. क्या ही उल्टा सीधा value हुआ, there we are getting. There we were getting some very weird values, sir. There we were getting some very weird values. Ek second. 5 2s, 5 3s. PM into PC. PM is 10, PC is this. No, this is 6.25 I'll get here. So PC is 22.5. PC is 22.5 if I'm getting. So this is not going to be the answer. Something is wrong in the Pythagoras. Mistake. Sorry. I messed up, sir. I've forgottenly I've just pressed that button. My mistake. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry, sir. Sir, this was given as PQR. This is 25. This is 40. And this bit, this was M. This was 10, sir. Now what I'm saying, this is 25. So this is also 25. Now, I can say, so total 40 meaning this is 15, sir. If this is 15 and this is 10 and this bit, I can now figure out PC. This is C. So PC into PM has to be 15 squared, sir, because 15 is the tangent. PM is 10 and this I can write 15 into 15. 5 3s, 5 2s. So PC will be 45 by 2, which is 22.5 centimeters. So PC is this. Now from there, if you subtract 10, so you get this value. This is diameter 2R. That is 12.5. 22.5 minus 10. So R is 6.25. So something was wrong with the like this Pythagoras theorem. Kuch, either we were doing something wrong or something was wrong. Most probably we were doing something wrong. Acha, moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. I hope the last one was clear, right? Everybody, last one was clear. We have done the tangent secant theorem gave us the correct value. Acha, purchased in this ratio. 20% profit, second one, this much profit. Total profit is this cost price of the first item. Okay, sir. Sir, one thing, sir, 30x, 50x. Because there's a value involved, I'm taking x. Again, if you're not comfortable, don't take x. That also, the 30 units, 50 units. That's all, that works. 20% profit, meaning, sir, 3 2s are 6x profit. Here, 10% profit, 5x profit. Total profit, sir, 11x. That is equal to 330. 11 30s are this. So x is 30. Cost price of the first item, 30 into 30, 900 rupees. Sir, option number, sir, C. You see, very simple. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one. Cylindrical needs to be lined waterproof, like waterproof fabric. Inner curved surface and inner base. Acha, open at the top. Okay, sir. So ultimately, this means cylinder like this. But again, I only need to cover this and cover the sides. So that means, acha, radius वगैरह. So radius is 2.5. Height is 4. Okay, done. So let's understand what is the total requirement. So 2 pi r each. 2 pi r each. That is the curved surface area plus the base. Base is pi r square. Sir, if I just take the pi out, that is 22 by 7 into 2 into r is 2.5 into h is 4, right? Plus r square is 2.5 square. This is 5 4s 20 plus this is 6.25. So 26.25. 22 by 7 into 26.25. So this gone by 100. 25. Ones are this, zeros are this, ones are this, fours are this. 2, this is 11. 7 7 7 से जाएगा नहीं sir. अच्छा, that means we will require these many meter square of fabric. I've not done any mistakes. 5 4s are 20. Just let me cross check once. 2 pi r each, because today I'm making so many mistakes since the morning. Pi 2 into 2.5. This. Okay. Acha, square sheet of this much centimeter. Acha, keep this in mind. The fabric only comes. So, what is the area of each fabric? Area of each fabric, acha sir, 40 centimeter, meaning sir 0.4 meters. 0.4 meters, 4 by 10 meters. So the square sheets, meaning the area will be a square. So 16 over 100 meter square. So how many sheets will be required? 101 into 11 by 14 divided by this, divided by 16. So that means into 100 by 16. This is approximate. And again, 12% extra will be required for wastages. Sir, this is the calculation that we will be requiring to do. Sir, this is first, we can see 7 2s are this. 100 gone. 2, sorry, it will not go. So let's keep this 2 and this 101. Sir, 101 into 11. 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. by 2, sir. 500, 550, sir, 1100, 555, around that. 555, around that. That is exactly what I'm getting. But again, either this or this then. If I have not made any errors. One plus 0, 0. Approximate fabrics we will require. Acha, fabric pieces will be required, na? Have I made any error? Ruko, sir. 16 by 100. This 100 gone. My answer should be 556, but again, I'm not getting any exact answers as 556. Not an answer with 556. 550 is there. 578 is there. Any calculation error have I made? 2 pi r h, and only one side of the base. Height of 4. Here 25 ones are 25. Arey yaar, I have made an error in this calculation. Sorry. This is 25. 25 ones are 25. 125 na. 105 will this be. And I don't even need to do this big of calculation. This is going divisible. 7 ones are this, 7 fives are this. My mistake, sir. 165 by 2. I don't need to do this. Again, I don't need this calculation as well. Sorry. Oh, I'm telling you now, I'm making so many mistakes since the morning. I don't know what happened to me today. So this much area is needed to be covered. Everything is covering, every sheet is covering this into 112 by 100. 16 sevens, 100 gone, this much. 82.5. Sir, for 82.5, and do the calculation here. Okay, I'm not doing something will be the answer. But again, my answer will be between them only. Let's take a wild guess. Not answer. 578 is the answer. Just do the last bit of calculation. I made an error. My mistake. Sorry. Acha. Mixture of 63 liters contains milk and water in this ratio. 7 liters of the mixture taken out and replaced with 9 liters of milk. You see the problem. So not a pure replacement. 7 liters I'm taking out, but again I'm pouring in 2 liters more. So the volume constant, that concept will not work here. But again, I don't need to take that out. Well, like make that work. 63 liters, this, sir, milk and water. So 63 liters, meaning how much milk, how much water? So total 7 parts is equal to 63, 1 part is 9. So 18 liters milk, and sir, 5 nines are 45 liters water, sir. Simple. Now, 7 liters have been taken out. Sir, in these 7 liters that I have taken out, over here also the ratio of milk and water remains the same. So here, if I have taken it out, I'll take out 2 liters of milk and 5 liters of water. Please understand. Now that means if I take out this much milk, meaning -2, and again replacing with 9 liters of milk. So 18 plus 9, so 27, minus this 25 liters. This will be the final milk in the mixture. That is what they were asking. Option B is the answer. Option B is your correct answer. Done, 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 done. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Last question of the day. Which option forms a triangle, sir? Sum of two sides must be greater than the third side, not even equal. 100 plus 200 equal to third side cannot be. 8 plus 9 less than third side, how nahi ho sakta. Equal, not possible. Sir, again, that means that's the answer. Again, this was a very simple free hit question. And again, I'm doing all sorts of wrong calculations today. But again, that was this week's mock for you. Okay. Again, I'll see you guys next week as with the new like you can say the next week's mock, and also our foundation batches are running. Along with that, tomorrow onwards the practice batch is getting launched. So if you want to make a purchase, if you want to join us for your preparation, please visit the website or the app for more details. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.